Let's create YouTube intro video using free Canva. You have a link in the description, so go there and make an account. For all of you that already have this account, go to search bar and type in YouTube intro. Click it and you have lots and lots of YouTube intros over here. Choose, for example, this one. Click on a template, and over here you can change these videos. For example, click on the first one, go to videos, and drag and drop this one over here, and the woods, for example, over here, and change this to be a different font, for example, white. Okay, double click it, change like this, and change the background to be also, for example, this field. Drag it on the background, and if I click play up here, you can see the intro that you created in about a minute. To download it, click over here top, MP4 video, download and upload to your YouTube or video editing software.